Hello and welcome to the video. In this video, we are going to show you how to start a WordPress blog from scratch. We are going to teach you how to register a domain name, how to get a web hosting account, how to connect your domain name with the web hosting account, and how to install WordPress and SSL on your site. At the end of this tutorial, you will have all the information necessary to start your blog. Now let's begin the process by registering a domain name.
Hello and welcome to the video. In this section, we are going to learn how to register the domain name for our upcoming blog. To get started, head over to Namecheap. Namecheap is the domain registrar, where we will be buying and registering the domain name. You can use the link given below to access Namecheap. Once you are on Namecheap website, enter your chosen domain name in the search box, and click on the search icon to continue. If the domain name you searched is available for registration, there will be a tick mark, along with the price, in front of the domain name. Looks like the domain name we want is available for registration. As you can see here, it will cost us $8.88 per year to purchase this domain name. To continue further, we need to click on the Add to Cart button. Looks like the total fee we need to pay for registering this domain is $9.06, which includes the additional ICANN fee of 18 cents. As you can see here, we are being offered WhoisGuard, which is free forever. This is the privacy protection service which usually costs upwards of $15 per year, on other domain registrars. Now let us click on the Confirm Order button, and proceed further. On this page, we need to create a new Namecheap account, if we don't already have one. Just enter your details, and click on the Create Account and Continue button, to move forward. Now here, we need to enter our contact details. Do that and then click on the Continue button. Now we need to choose a payment option and finish the payment. We will be using PayPal to make the payment. Once the payment is processed successfully, we will be able to see the domain name we just registered, in our Namecheap dashboard. We will also get emails from Namecheap, containing our domain information. And that's it. You have successfully registered a domain name.
Once we have registered a domain name, it is time to verify our registered email account. Without this, the domain registration will not be considered complete.
Once we have registered a domain name at Namecheap, we need to verify the ownership of the email address we provided, while setting up the new Namecheap account. This is a very important step that needs to be accomplished immediately. Without the verification of email address, the domain associated with our registrant contact will be suspended until the email address is verified. Now, to verify the email address, just log into the email account, and search for the email from Namecheap, that says, Immediate Verification Required. Once inside, simply click on the link that says, "Click here to verify your email address." And that's it. You have successfully completed the email verification.
Now we are ready to register a web hosting account for our upcoming blog.
In this section, I am going to show you how to sign up for a web hosting account and install WordPress on your domain. The web hosting service we recommend is SiteGround. To get started, visit the SiteGround web hosting page, using the link below. Now choose the web hosting option, and click on Get Started. On the next page, there are 3 web hosting packages to choose from. As a beginner blogger, your top choice should be either the Startup plan, or the Grow Big plan. With the Startup plan, you can host only one of your websites, whereas, with the Grow Big plan, you can host unlimited websites. For this demo, let's choose the Startup plan and move forward. On the next page, we have the option to either register a new domain name, or enter an already existing domain name. Let's enter the domain name we registered earlier, and move on to the next step. On the next page, you need to fill in your personal information, like the name, email address, postal address, phone number, etc. You also need to choose a password here, which will be the password for your new SiteGround account. We need to enter our card details here. Also, we have one final chance to change the hosting package, the billing duration, and the data centers. Let's choose our data center and the plan. There is an extra service offered on this page, which is called the SG Site Scanner. You don't need to worry about that right now. So leave it unchecked, click on the confirmation box given below, and proceed to the next step, by clicking on the Pay Now button. If your payment was successful, you should be seeing this success message. Click on the Proceed to Customer Area button, to move forward. On the next page, you will be greeted with a welcome message. Click on the Set Up Site button. On the next page, we have an option to start a new website, or migrate an existing one. As we are starting a brand new blog, we will choose the Start a New Website option. We will be given an option to install the application of our choice, which in our case, is WordPress. Just select WordPress, and enter your email address and password, in the Setup Login section. These are the login details you will be using for your upcoming blog. Now we need to click the Continue button to install WordPress on the new blog. Here, we have an option to add SG Site Scanner to our hosting plan. We don't want that for now. Let's click on the Finish button to complete the WordPress installation process. And that's it. You have successfully signed up for the web hosting account, and installed WordPress. Note down the name server details given here, to which we need to point our domain name. In the next section, I will show you how to connect your domain name, with the SiteGround web hosting.
Now it is time to connect our domain name with the web hosting account. Let's continue. To connect the domain name that you registered at Namecheap, with the SiteGround hosting, log into your Namecheap account, and then click on the Manage tab, in front of the domain name. Now go to the Name Servers section, and choose Custom DNS. Now enter your SiteGround nameserver details, the one you got when you signed up for the hosting account. And then click on the tick mark to save it. And that's it. You have successfully connected the domain name registered at Namecheap to your new SiteGround hosting account. The change in nameservers may take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours, depending on various factors. Before we start publishing content on our new blog, there is another important thing that needs to be accomplished. And it is installing SSL on our new blog. Let's see how to do that. To install SSL on your website, log into your SiteGround account first. Once inside, access the Websites section, and choose the Site Tools option in front of your domain name. On the next page, go to the Security tab, and choose the SSL Manager. Now choose the domain name and the SSL certificate, and click on the Get button. And that's it. You have successfully installed SSL on your website. And that's it. You have successfully launched a blog from scratch. To get the detailed step-by-step guide, with a lot of pictures and screenshots, please visit our website smartwebpreneur.com, or click the link in the description below. We will see you there.